Hello everyone, how's it going? I have with me here today a 25 issue random pull comic box I got off of eBay. I paid roughly $11 for it. It comes out to about 44 cents an issue. They claim there's no duplicates in the pull, and there were very fine and up for their conditions. I believe it was Marvel, DC, and Indie is in the mix, anything from 1980 up to 2017. I decided to get it because I was interested to see if there's anything cool out of it, and I wanted to read some new books. So I'm videotaping it so that anyone who may be interested in these or were interested in seeing if these were even worth getting off of eBay, since there are so many of them, they can maybe check out for themselves. I'll have a link for the seller in the description, and also kind of tell you a bit about whether I think it's worth or not in the end. In the description I'll have some other stuff in there, possibly if there's anything that's worth any money. I'm doubting that, but I'm hoping there's just something really cool. So we'll get right into that. So, what I'm seeing firstly in the box, I had opened it previously and make sure I didn't dox myself here. The seller didn't secure them. They're kind of movable, and that might have damaged some of them in transit. So that is kind of a downside, I would say, to something like this. And hopefully some of them do pack them tighter. It looks like the first one we have here is the Uncanny X-Men, issue 295. Looks like a 1992 copy. Second one here, we have G.I. Joe Special Missions, number 15. Not sure which year. Issue price was $1, so it's fairly old. A 1988. It's pretty cool. I might have to check that out myself. Looks like a newer issue here. Earth's Mightiest Heroes: The Avengers, number 3, Mark Waid. X-Men Unlimited, issue 50. Not heard of that issue. Cover is kind of interesting. This is an interesting one. Slapstick, number 3. Never heard of this one. Might look at that. And it's looking they're in fairly good condition. I'm seeing some spine wrinkles here, and some of the corners are obviously bent. You have a DC Universe Superman, issue 30. Another DC Rebirth, Batman Beyond, issue 14. The Flash, issue 34. DC Universe Black Hole Rising, Part 1. Aquaman from DC Universe Rebirth, issue 21. Justice League Dark, issue 19. Jeff Lemire. It's from the New 52. Ooh. Huge ad, okay. It might be worth looking at. Oh, this one's really cool. G.I. Joe, The Real American Hero Battle Files, part 2 of 3 from Image. It's a bit thicker than a normal book. Okay, looks like it's just information on Cobra commanders. I might look at that myself. Looks pretty cool. Archer and Armstrong, issue number 7 from Valiant Comics. Kind of to me looks like Nurkish and Cecil cash grab duo right here. Might be interesting thing to look at. And it looks like we have another one, issue 11. And this one's bagged and boarded. The last two were. It does say that not all of them will be bagged and boarded. It seems like the majority of them won't be. But if they are, that's pretty cool. The Hardcore, issue 10 from Valiant. That might be something I'm interested in looking at myself. Have Ballistic from Image, issue 3. Definitely one of those 90s books. The very attractive female on the front here. The X-Files. Says it's $3.50. I don't think it's worth that much, but we'll have to look at that. From Topps, 9 out, and I'm not sure who made this one, so that might be kind of cool to look at. I got Cyberforce. That's pretty cool. Issue 3 from Image. I'm kind of a fan of Cyberforce. Ooh, and Jack Kirby's Bombast. 1 of 1. Interesting. It's from Topps. My brother is a big Kirby fan. He might actually really like this. Guest starring Eric Larson's The Savage Dragon. So I think I might have to give this one to him. Oh, there's even a card in the back. Really cool. Interesting. So People in Science special report on Tom Strong by Alan Moore. Huh. Never seen that before. It's from America's Best Comics. Nancy Drew and the Hardy Boys. Issue 1, The Big Lie, from Dynamite. Got a Youngblood issue, number 3. This one says it's $3 on it. Would not think so in this day and age, but Youngblood's pretty cool. This one came bagged, but not boarded. I have Street Fighter featuring the Ferret from Malibu Comics, issue number 3. And I have a Ferret issue, an interesting guy. Warriors of Plasm, Defiant number 4. Kind of a cool, interesting art. The front, it kind of reminds me of He-Man almost. Have a issue 3 of The Savage Dragon. And what is this? Huh. Looks like The Protectors, issue 5. There's an actual hole in the comic. I think that's intentional. It's interesting. Might have to take a look at that. That's I've never seen that before. Might not be worth anything, but that's kind of cool. So that was all of them. If there happens to be any of them that you do like and you want from me, I am willing to probably sell them to you. I guess overall, some kind of cool things in it. Unfortunately, I don't really like how they packed the box. It's kind of disappointing. But I think I'd say this is kind of cool and recommend if you're interested in looking for things to supplement your collection, or even just take a look and find new things to read. I kind of really like this, to be honest. It's probably my favorite one out of it, just because it's interesting. There's a hole through the book. For $11, I think it would be a decent buy if it's something you're interested. I have another one, so if anyone's interested in more of these, I can continue doing some of these. The other one is 115 indie comics, and so leave a like and comment down at the bottom how you liked it. If there's anything you do like about it, I would recommend this, and I will give you the seller's information in the bio. Thanks for watching.